Hey there, friends. Meteorologist Maddie Kirker here with your weather on the ones. Great to see you on this Tuesday, and we do have a nice day on tap. Sunny and 75. Where this is located, again, this is just outside of Sanger. You can see we have some heavy rainfall coming down, frequent lightning. I'm sure if you're joining us in Sanger right now, you can probably hear this storm. Why this is a little bit more alarming is because we're basically honing in on one type of precipitation. If you're thinking we'll see some snow in Austin, probably not. What we have to watch out for is what's even more dangerous, and that is ice. All snow at 9 a.m. in Plano, Texas, with the snow now accumulating on the road. So if you're in Plano, you're watching us this morning, please be extra careful because that snow just continues to come down. There's Plano right behind me. You're seeing all snow right now. And so this, of course, is causing quite the mess out there on the roadways. What does Futurecast have? Well, just like Ricky was saying, it continues to actually get worse as the day progresses because more of the moisture stays with us. It'll be off and on with some sleet and snow, and tonight will be probably the most dangerous part of it all because we're going to have some really heavy snow move through the Dallas-Fort Worth metro. Here is the weather story, one of my favorite parts of meteorology. What we have happening over the next couple of days is this ridge of high pressure building in across the state. And if you've watched us long enough, you know that high pressure is sinking air, so it makes it really hard for clouds to bubble up, and it also leads to some dry weather. There's your impacts there. Quiet weather, dry weather, temperatures toasty, and at least all the way through Friday, we're looking at rain-free conditions. We have now broken the all-time record. July 4th, 2025, we hit 37.52 feet. That shattered the old record that was set back in 1932. Speaking of tonight, you know what's moving in? The chance of some rainfall, especially if you live to the west of downtown and out across the hill country. Rain chances will be a little higher there, but this is the timing breakdown for Austin. Yes, it's going to be after midnight tonight. Many of us are fast asleep. If this model pans out, and this is one of our more aggressive models, this would suggest we've got a line of storms firing up around 6 o'clock from Wiley down towards Dallas-Fort Worth International, Fort Worth proper, moving through Dallas around 7 o'clock. So again, a good time to put the car in the garage before 7. Now with all of the rain, and since it's been very steady over the last couple of days, you're gonna have to watch out for this guy right here. Beware the bite this weekend as mosquito populations surge after rain. If you've been out and about the last few days, probably have already noticed the surge of mosquitoes. They're all over the place. Well, it is a little piece of energy coming off of the sun that interacts with the magnetic field of the Earth. So those particles follow the Earth's magnetic field, and guess what? We get to see it here on Earth. Those electrons kind of collide together and they actually form different colors. So take a look at your TV set here. We've got the reds, we've got the blues, the greens, and the pinks. And if we're lucky enough here in Texas, we typically see the blues and the reds because that's higher up in the atmosphere. You can see rain begins to move in across the hill country, including Gillespie County by 5 a.m. Still mainly dry but breezy as you wake up tomorrow morning at 5. Now as we advance towards 7 a.m., fair game to see some rain rolling in from Austin, Georgetown, Temple to Waco, with the highest chance of some accumulating rain mainly off to the west of, say, downtown.